Struggling with writer's block and staring at a blank screen when crafting your YouTube scripts? You're not alone. Stick around as I break down actionable examples and powerful tips that will elevate your script writing game. First things first, let's find a hot topic for our niche. I rely on vidIQ to pinpoint viral keywords. This tool not only helps me discover trending topics but also generates a catchy title for me. This is our title today. Budget Travel USA. Backpacking Adventures and Money-Saving Tips, 2024. Once we've nailed down that title, we're ready to dive into ChatGPT. We're using ChatGPT 4 Mini to craft our script. Our first step is to input a crucial prompt. Here's what you need to type. My YouTube video title is Title. What questions do you think people will have when reading this title? This prompt helps us understand what viewers are curious about. It's like opening a door to their minds and figuring out what drives their interest. Next up, we need to grab our viewers' attention right from the start. Input this prompt. Based on these questions, provide an introduction and hook for the video that will captivate viewers and encourage them to watch until the end. Focus on the following questions. This will help you create an introduction that doesn't just inform but also intrigues. I selected these 2 questions to copy and paste. It's about setting the stage so your audience is hooked and eager for more. With the introduction sorted, it's time to build the main content. To start, generate an outline by entering this prompt. Give me an outline for a YouTube video script called. Make sure the outline responds to the above introduction and hook. Since the answer is not satisfactory, I would like to ask instead, can you provide more updated information on this question? This answer is better, with more details. This will give you a structured framework for your video, ensuring your content flows logically and covers all the key points. Now, let's focus on fleshing out the main parts. Input this prompt to create detailed content. Give me script and use 300 words to explain the following. For this title, I will say, give me script and use 300 words to explain the following. Please show some specific budget amounts, including but not limited to food, accommodation, tickets, without intro and outro. Also, please make the content intriguing. The result looks good. At the same time, you can set the specific number of words and personalized requirements in the prompt. This can help you break down your video into manageable chunks and make sure each segment is clear and engaging. If you want to add more flair, refine your content by asking ChatGPT to make it more appealing, intriguing, or emotional. You can also request to include some content that not many people know about, or address common misconceptions. This step is all about enhancing your script so it stands out and resonates with your viewers. Now, we do the same for the main part. Copy the same thing. And check the content. Finally, it's time to wrap things up with a strong outro. Enter this prompt. Write an outro for this video based on the content above, including. Here I will say, write an outro for this video based on the content above, including. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. A well-crafted outro reinforces your message and encourages viewers to engage with your content. And there you have it, a complete script crafted with the help of ChatGPT. With these prompts, you'll be able to create engaging and professional video scripts that captivate your audience from start to finish. I hope these tips for crafting effective ChatGPT prompts help you tackle writer's block and elevate your YouTube scripts. Remember, clarity, context, and iteration are your keys to getting the best results from ChatGPT. And don't just copy everything. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content. See you in the next video.